much rubbish. Monica will kill me. Edge. And just... Yeah, we're here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. So, last month in December, I updated my desk to an electric desk, and today I'm going to update my gaming chair. This one, very old one now, and we're going to try and see how it is, the FLEXISPOT BS8G. So, this is a really good chair. Look at the size of the box, massive. Took me ages to bring it from downstairs to upstairs. Right, so I'm gonna set it up, use it, and then in the end I'm gonna tell you how it is. Just before you look at unboxing and assembly of the chair, let's have a look at the price. So, the BS8 has a price tag of £299.99. But at the moment, the price tag is £219.99. Really good price. You can get it in grey or black. For the US, I was not able to find the same chair, but I will leave a link with all the chairs available for the US. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. I spend most of my day sitting at my desk with my main job and also with YouTube editing. Using an ergonomic desk chair is an easy way to provide your body with the support it needs. The BS8 Flexi chair is provided unassembled, but is really easy to build. You only need a bit of space and the Allen key provided. It took me around 30 minutes to put the chair together. Let's have a look at the design next. The chair has a modern design. The street back section makes it feel a bit less office. The chair is quite big and heavy. The chair is adjustable, meaning that my wife can use it in an optimal position too. The seat pad is just the right level of firmness. This allows you to sink in slightly, but not too much. One of the great selling points of this chair is that you have a trial period of 60 days. And 5 years of warranty. FLEXISPOT is really sure about their products. FLEXISPOT has warehouses all over the world. Let's see some of the features of the FLEXISPOT BS8. It is ergonomically designed to minimize the impact of sitting down to work. There is a number of adjustable elements to the BS8 to find the optimum position for your body. Some of them are adjustable seat height using the gas lift mechanism, height adjustable armrests, adjustable lumbar support, adjustable tilt back tightness, comfortable headrest, 360-degree rotation. My experience using the FLEXISPOT BS8. I have been using this chair for a month now. You probably have seen it on my YouTube videos if you follow the channel. It is a very comfortable chair to sit in. Being able to adjust so many elements means that I was always able to set up the chair perfectly for my body. When sitting on the BS8, I feel really supported, especially in the lower back. The seat pad is just on the right level of firmness. With my old chair, my legs will feel a bit numb after sitting for a while, and that is not happening anymore. I really feel very comfortable after sitting on it for long periods of time. I can say that I have adjusted my posture while sitting on a BS8, and no more pains or aches on neck or back. The FLEXISPOT BS8, it's sturdy, easy to build, and from my point of view, fairly understated. It is designed for an office space, but can be used for gaming or YouTube editing, because it's so comfortable that allows you to sit on it for long periods of time. It is hard to not recommend it. That's it guys, this was our review on the FLEXISPOT BS8 ergonomic office chair. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description. Please use them if you want to buy the chair. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.